Hi guys, this is the Wolfpack, CS Trades 101. How you guys doing this morning? Anyways, let's have a look. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Aaron, Jonathan, OG, Alfred, JP, good morning, guys. Christopher, good morning, brother. How you guys all doing? Headstock, let's go. Let's do this today. Let's have a look at the chart here. I've already got everything set up except Twitter, and then we're ready to go. I've already been up doing things this morning. So let's just paste this over here. And then we're on our way. Let's see messages. Nothing. Just junk mail. Just junk mail. Okay. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with this internet thing going on. Oh, never mind. Guess it's a little bit behind. Hi, Tess. What's up, Frank K? Everybody's here this morning. We got a bunch of you. Right on. The regulars are up. Oops. Okay, let's have a look here. What AMC's pre-market. Pre-market is down 1.54. Here, I'm just going to turn some light on. There we go. Put some light on this situation, guys. A little bit dark in here this morning. It'll be light soon enough. Anyways, let's get this TV on here. We'll set the TV up. I had it running, but the internet was a little bit slow. Evo, what's up, brother? Welcome to our channel. With some YouTube here so you guys can see some stuff. Yeah, no interesting news came out yesterday. I was looking last night and I couldn't find anything, so I didn't make a video. Like, you guys know me pretty well that I only make videos if there's good information. If it's nothing really, it's not even worth it. You guys, just not worth your time, right? I don't like wasting your guys' time clicking on stuff that's like, why did he even post this, right? Like that kind of stuff. Just give me a second here, guys.
Today we did so good. Oh my god, that's awesome.
What is this, an old one? This must be an old one here. Okay, we'll go back into subscriptions. And that's us. That's us, live. Okay, Sanjay, good morning. Good morning, Mr. L. Good morning, MC. How you doing, brother? Okay, we got 2 minutes before market opens. I was gonna say nice popcorn. Popcorn for the show. Here, I'll throw some stuff back out here. I'll throw you guys some more wolves. We'll get this this vibe going this morning here. Hopefully things are a little bit different than yesterday, which is everything's on sale now. All right. A buddy of mine, I got a couple more wolves buying some stuff. So I had a meeting last night on Zoom, and I got a guy bought over $10,000 worth. So it should be on the market. He bought last night before market closed. So I don't know if that order was executed. I never. Here you go, Josh. I'll give you some. There you go, brother. There's a doobie for you. So I don't know if the order was executed. He didn't say anything. It was a huge order though. Big friggin' order. He did it in 2 different segments. So we'll see what happens today. I'll probably get a message. He did it. He did it through the Canadian bank. So it is what it is, right? He got it on sale. He was actually waiting, right? He called me and he goes, wow, I did not expect this to go back down again, this stock. And I said, it will. It could even go lower, right? It's just the way it is. I said that that store, because he's been trading stocks for a long time. He even said to me, he goes, man, I've been watching this stock for about 2 weeks. It's holding its ground. Usually stocks will like go way down, up, down. I said, you haven't seen nothing. You should have seen about 4 months ago. So he pulled back a chart. He does his own DD and stuff. And he goes, wow, man, I see the fundamentals in this stock. And good morning, Ken. So yeah, he's seen the fundamentals in this stock, and he totally was just like, wow, man, this thing's crazy. Okay, market just opened, guys. Market just opened. Market open, brothers. Okay. That was a big retracement here. It's a pretty big retracement we have. Excuse me. Okay, look at that friggin' candlestick. What happened here? Why don't we... Okay, here we go. I was going to say, what happened? Did the market freeze or something already? But it didn't. The volume's clipping along. But today is... we'll see what happens in about an hour here. We'll see what happens in about an hour here, and see. Good morning, Jason. And see what happens when these platforms level out a bit here. We'll see what happens here. We're sitting at $1 88 cents right now, so we're actually gaining ground here a little bit, which is good, right? Morning, Ed. Already said that. We're off to the races. Sorry, I didn't see your name there, my friend. Oh, Jay. Good morning, brother. I seen you way up at the top. Johnny, good morning. Okay, what we're going to do is blast through a couple of these... what I'm gonna read through is a little bit of this these numbers here. So I was just watching this trend here on my stock screener here. Doji, eh? Okay, so AMC is at $46.20 right now. Ticker symbol AAL is at 1951. It is AMC's down 1.37. I could definitely see a pullback on that back into the better numbers for us in a little bit. Ticker symbol AC, American Canadian Air Canada. Wow. Okay, $22.47, 1.75 in the red on that. Wow, they have a lot of volume already on that. 4.1 million already. Shit. Okay, ticker symbol BB, BlackBerry is $10.06. It is 0.69 in the red this morning. Here's that juicy candle we needed, guys, on AMC. Ticker symbol BBIG is $7.83. Wow, it's having a huge pullback right now. Well, not huge. A little bit of a pullback, I should say. Huge is like in the 10-15%. Is pulled back about 3.68 in the red. I kind of predicted that one on that one. I do see a little bit more of a pullback on that in the future, for sure. We're going to get into... I'm just going to skip... okay, we'll get... Canopy Growth Cgc is $14.75, 0.27 in the red. Sundial, SNDL, Sundial Growers, 0.72, 0.93. And Clove is $8.35, 2.45 in the green on that. We'll jump into some crypto here. Crypto's back on the red side again, almost straight across the board. Straight across the board, as I said that. Dogecoin is 24 cents. It's 1.71 in the red. Ticker symbol ADA is $2.45, 1.87. That's Cardano is 1.87% in the red. Sorry, I keep on getting distracted by these big, huge, juicy green candlesticks on my left on the screen. It's distracting me from reading my chart here. So sorry about that. Bitcoin BTC is $47,945 on that. 0.42 in the red. Ethereum, ticker symbol ETH, is $3,623. 0.23 in the red on that. And then we are going to go to GME. GME is down a little bit this morning, about a little bit less than us, not by much. Is at $202 straight across the board on that one, as 1.23 in the red. KPLT is $6.39, 1.9. Oh, it just changed. Correction on that. $6.28. It's actually gone down twice as much. It's at 3.38 in the red. A lot of these, the market's switching red as we speak here. I'd say about 3/4 of the market's red right now, guys. It's totally switching. All my stocks are switching red. So, or like a little bit in the green, I should say, on some of them. Ticker symbol MMAT is $4.96, 0.20 in the green on that one. MNMD, $2.51, 2.03. Wow, we have a lot of stocks to go through here in the morning. Usually it was only like 5 or 6 before. 1.83% in the green. Microvision, MVIS, is $12.87, 0.85 in the red. And Spirit is not even on here at all. Did it get... It's not even on the chart. It might be a glitch. I'm going to we're just going to go back to the AMC chart here. And I'm going to actually dive in on a couple more screeners here. I'm very curious on that one. Just give me a second. Okay, support.com. Okay, it's just that it's delisted. It got delisted, guys. It's no longer a stock on the market, on the open market. So, nevertheless, a lot of people had money on that. Your money's gone, guys. Sorry to say. Your money's all gone if you had money on that. I did warn a lot of people about that for about 3 weeks straight. I just wanted to tell you that I warned you guys about that stock, not to put your money into it. I had it in multiple videos. I've done podcasts on it, sitting live. Your money's gone. It's gone to the government for tax purposes, because they owe money, so the government collects it. It will not come back. Okay? Even though it's delisted, there's ways that it can still be traded off market. I don't know anything about that, but it can happen. There's a lot of money tied up in that. I know that for a fact. That could possibly happen with Robinhood down the road. I've been hearing some weird shit about that stock. So just be careful what you guys are doing. You want to check your DD out. And this thing was trading at quite a bit of volume too. So I'm just looking at this because I'm very intrigued by this. Actually, it got delisted there was a little bit of, I did hear a couple things on it, but there's a lot of volume that went in there. The average of volume was 18.2 million in the average of 3 months. There's a lot of people that got stung on this. Okay, bad. Ramen, it was sport.com. So enough about that. It can happen. So okay, AMC's we're gaining some ground, my wolves, my brothers, my friends of mine, and sisters of mine. Wow, look at this. Good recovery. Come on, get up more. It's doing a test here. At what level are we doing? We're back at that 87, 86, 70. That was in our channel. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just going to pull back a half an hour chart here. I want to go back and see the levels. There they are right there. 51. And then we had our next was, it's that $36 and then, oh, 40, sorry. $46 and $44, okay? So that's that channel that we were caught in. We busted out of it then. So we are above, no, we're exactly on that channel on the upper leg, okay? We just hit 56.51. The channel was about 56.04. So we're just tapping off that bottom leg that we built there. So now that is a resistance level for us. It's not, or it's a support level for us. It's not a resistance level. Correction on that. Okay. We'll put us back on the 1 minute candlesticks here. Just wanted to have a look at that to see what we're dealing with today. Or else get these down a bit. I got these candles just blowing up so friggin' big here on the screen. I can barely even see what's going on. We're getting a... Hang on a second here. Just give me a second. Oh, I'm on something else here. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Oh, wow. We're getting attacked huge here, guys. Same shit as yesterday, my friends. Buckle your seatbelt down because we might hit some turbulence today. We're getting attacked hard. Hard, guys. I'm looking at this this other screen of mine here, and oh, man, the stock's just levitating. It's just bouncing. Yeah, we're getting attacked, guys, hard. It's going to be a rough day. Really rough day. I'm just giving you guys a heads up on that, so you might want to go reload your coffee. It's going to be a long morning here. This chart's not showing it, but my other charts, that stick's just bouncing up and down all over the place. Look at the line. Look at the line. Look how long those wicks are. That means it's having harsh pullbacks, okay? Our volume, this chart seems to be a little bit off. You guys, I might have more advanced charts. What it is all charts are different. I know this one is a little bit lacking the volume. I think it lags a little bit behind. Or it's just, it doesn't have the credentials as the other ones. I'm going to bump it up. I'm going to say we're at 1 million right now. This one's saying 665K for volume. I say it's more than that because we've been open. Yeah, it's more than that. I'd say we're just under 1 mil, maybe a mil, close to it by now. So anyway, okay. Spirit is no listed under agree and is now listed under agree, is paying point a share. That's it. Wow. Yeah. There's people that there's people probably that hundreds of thousands of dollars. Well, a lot of traders trades a lot of money. Like I said, when I trade money, I don't 5,000 is as low as I trade, right? Up to the most I've put down is $80,000 hits. Okay, and I usually do it. I'll do it in 80 grand. The most I'd do is $10,000 lots, because you start losing money, or it says it cannot fill an order that big. Okay, usually I won't use my smartphone for that. I will actually call the bank and get them to execute the order directly. And yeah, see, that one's off 4 points. Yeah, it's off big time. Then they're not getting the correct, and it could be because I'm not paying for this too, you guys, right? With the volume. So I do have another chart that I use. Oh, fucking hell. We're getting hammered on hard. But it's going up though. It's just it's trying to push us down like hard here. Okay, yeah, I do it for 4.79 mil on this one. Here we go, guys. Here we go. I'm liking this. I'm not liking we're getting attacked, but oh, there we go. I told you guys that they're pushing us hard today. So I'll jump off of that chart. So what I'll do is I'll use that chart, my other screener, for volume when I'm saying volume out on it, just to be correct with you guys. I don't like false information as far as we can handle it. And you guys know that every chart, there's no accurate information unless you are linked right with the stock exchange, like to the T. I'm saying, right? That's why I'm saying with your banks or your trading platforms, when you go to execute your order, when you're selling, when you're doing an execution of sell, okay, don't go buy these stock screeners, guys. Go buy your bank on your phone. If you're using your phone and that's what you're selling your shares with, you go buy that, okay? Because if you notice that when you look at your screen and then you do your order thing, right? When you click your order, it locks that price in, okay? So that is what it goes by. They have to go by that. But sometimes, listen to this. I've had this problem before. If you wait around too long and you're screwing around trying to buy an order and you're trying to get it under a certain amount and it takes you sometimes 2-3 minutes, if you don't hit that refresh button, it doesn't lock in at that number. It locks in what the market says. So you should always go back and find out, just hit the refresh button on it and then execute your order to sell or buy, whatever you're doing. I just found that that's way better for me. That could be different for you. I don't know if you experiment with this stuff. I do. I'm very, very diligent with my money. I've been just doing this for a while, right? So you learn these little tricks. I wouldn't say they're tricks. No, they're not tricks. It's just the way the systems are set up, right? And yeah. So hey guys, we're back in the green again, right? We got a little bit of room. We got to get back up 8%, 9%. We got to get back up about 9%, right? Oh, thanks, guys. Thanks, Ed. Thanks, man. I appreciate that, guys. You guys are awesome, man. You guys are like, you guys are dope, man. Oh, it's going to be about a month. Guys, I've got going over and top of YouTube, okay? I'm tired of waiting for this, They're dangling a carrot in front of our eyes with this merch store shit, okay? So, I got this company that it will just have an affiliate. It'll have my affiliate link on the bottom. You just click on this link, and it's going to take you to an online store. You guys can order like over 50 different things with our Wolfpack logo. It's going to take about a month because I'm having problems with... I need Connor. If you guys see Connor come on here, can you give me a heads up, please? I'm having problems with the logo, too small of pixels, and when I blow it up, it doesn't, the computer doesn't recognize it. So yeah, you guys are going to have some merch shit, and there's some cool stuff, man. Coffee cups, stickers, handbag, everything. You can even get boxing shorts, man. It's a pretty cool store. It's cool. I'm ordering a pair of those. It says Wolfpack on the back, and then on the front it has they're cool. And a pair of the socks. When you put the socks together, it says Wolfpack, and when you pull it apart, they're pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. So I was up designing it last night. I spent about an hour on it. I'm building a store from scratch, so it's gonna take me a couple weeks, just because I'm really, really busy. Like I got multiple things happening right now, right? Look at this. This is good. We're hitting. We got all. It's all green, guys. I haven't seen that in a long time. We are gonna need some consolidation, though, my friends, to hold these levels. I know that for a fact, and all of the you just do, right? So if we get a little bit of red in there, it'll kick us up to the next level, guys. That's why we're only doing it. That's why it's going green, 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 all side by side, right? Pretty much. There we go. There's our consolidation we needed. So we get a couple of those, it'll pump us up to the next level. Right on. 6.2 mil. Good, Monty. Thank you, guys. Thanks for doing your own DD. You guys are friggin' awesome. I love you guys. I love you guys. Raphael, welcome to the pack again, my friend. Welcome to the pack. Christopher, oh, you retracted a message. So, what was I going to say about that? Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. It's just that, there we go. We just need some consult, guys. Come on. Fucking bounce over. We need a red. There we go. Oh, maybe not that much. It'll push back. This is looking good, though, guys. I'm very, very bullish on this morning. Very bullish. It's the reason why it's not going up. It's only going up 2 cents at a time. There we go. We just need a couple reds. I know you're like, what the hell is he talking about? Right? Trust me. Trust me. We need some steam. So when it goes red, when it bounces over red 1 or 2 times, I'm not talking long sticks, like 3 miles long. I'm just talking like little, maybe 0.01% stick. A couple reds, and then the green will go boop, 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 boop. It's called consolidation, okay, for the new people on here. So yeah. Anyways, guys, yeah, I've been up. I built another YouTube channel too. So that's what I've been doing. I've been so busy, guys. Like, oh man, I got tendonitis in my freaking shoulder blade from fucking. Oh man, it's just killing me. So I got to go to the doctors this afternoon for that. It's from doing too much computer work. I feel like a friggin' geek. I seriously feel like a friggin' geek, man. I'm a welder. Like I'm not. This is not my This is not me, man. I'm out used packing steel around and being this badass on the job site. Now I'm this little biatch in this computer thing, sitting here like a friggin' geek. But after my neck injury, man, I gotta think of some other stuff. Shit, I didn't want that. That's a pretty big drive down. I wasn't talking about that kind of consolidation. That's not consolidation. And that's up to you guys. I'm not pushing anything on you guys. The link's there and you do whatever you want. But hopefully I'll have it done. It'll be way done before Christmas. Okay? That's what I'm doing. I'm buying it. And the prices aren't bad. I shopped around. Okay? The prices aren't bad at all. They're about half what... and some of it, most of it's free shipping in the States. Okay, guys? That's why I did some DD for you guys. So it's mostly free shipping in the States. Because I hate getting you guys getting fucked over all the time, man. Seriously, I'm tired of it. Everybody's out to get us. Like, I'm tired of it. So I had to go through like 15 different stores. So anyways, enough about that shit. And sorry for swearing, guys. What do you call it? Geek after school, a boss? Yeah, no shit, eh? No shit, eh? Okay, what's this, Ed? You should look into curriculum for inflammation spin. Turmeric! Dude, I know all about that stuff. Yes. That's what I'm gonna have to do something. I got free, it's not part of our medical thing because we're Canadian. Yes, we get free. When you go to the doctor, you don't have to. I just want to be clear on that because we don't get free medical and dental up here. It's not like what you're thinking. It's, our taxes pay for it for one thing. And we pay, so what it is when you go to the doctor, you just don't pay there. You know how you have to pay if you don't have your coverage? That's all it is, okay? Everything, all medications, everything's you pay for, okay? I just want to be clear on that. Just so you guys more understand stuff around the world, how it works. I like to learn this stuff anyways, right? So yeah, I have extended medical, right? Which is everything's free. But I pay for it. I pay thousands of dollars a year for it. Just same as you guys, but I know you guys are a little bit more. Okay, come on, let's bounce this, baby. Let's do this. Let's fucking do this, man. Coming on, you guys come on here all the time. So, anyways, let's, guys, what else is new in your lives, man? Talk to me. This is the family thing. This is the meeting at the table this morning. Talk to me. That's awesome, brother. Thank you so much, Ed. Thank you. I'm going to look into that. I'm going to look into that. Thank you guys for looking out for my best interest. Well, we got this big friggin' V, this upside down V here forming. This could be like a killer W, the W from hell. You put it in your coffee too, Ed? Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, that's good to know, man. I really appreciate this stuff, guys. Evergrande. Shamram, what the hell is that? Oh. Enlighten me. What are you talking about? Because you have to remember you're writing a text, right? You got to be more elaborate, my friend, my brother, my wolf, friend of mine. Waiting. Jeremy, good morning. Yeah, no kidding, eh? We'll all have that day, guys. We'll all have that day. It's just that I'm already retired, but I'll never stop working, guys. This is just a different class of work. Good morning, Charlie. Like, I'll never stop working for you, especially for, now I'm working for you guys. Right? Kelvin. Oh, is it? Welcome to the channel, brother. Welcome to the channel, man. Everybody here welcomes you. You might have been in the channel for a while. Maybe, maybe not. But thank you for Pineapple. I did not know that. I'm going to be doing some of this. I got to do something or else I'm going to have to shut this down for a week or two, guys. If this gets any worse, it's to the point where I can't even lift my arm. My shoulder's frozen. I'm resting it on the table right now. And this started bothering me about 3 months ago. But I'm a tough person. I'm like, whatever. It'll go away. It'll go away. Drink. When I drink, China's real estate company going bankrupt. I did not know anything about that, my friend. If it's in the States, we get most of our information's blocked, guys. You guys, I don't know if you know that. It's the purest form you can eat. Oh, I did not know that. That's funny. Oh my god, Test, you're fucking hilarious. In this wolf pack, we don't sniff asses. Oh my god, I got tears in my eyes. Oh, dude, you just made my morning. Oh my god. Oh, my dogs are barking. My dogs are barking because I'm laughing so fucking loud. Oh my god, I'm giving you a fucking here, have a doobie to smoke too. There you go. Smoke up 2 of them, 3 of them. 4 joints I threw you, man. Oh my god. Holy crap. Wow, man. That is friggin' hilarious. I almost want to put that on the back of the t-shirt. In this pack, we don't sniff asses. That's friggin' hilarious, man. I'm stealing. Can I steal your line, dude? I'll patent that shit, man. That's friggin' awesome. What does she look like? That's funny. Yeah, what does she look like? Is she worse sniffing her ass? That's funny. I know you're awesome, man. You all are, but I'm just saying, like, that was pretty good, man. That was good. The dogs are still going crazy next door. I seen it was one of the biggest firms. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. I got distracted. Thank you. I think I might throw that on the back. Maybe not on all the shirts. Well, the price just goes up for you guys. What I'll do is split. I'll do a split. I think I can put that so you guys can choose what you want on it. I don't know. I'll look in it. You just good, Kim, guys, and this pack don't smoke crack. I like that one. That's cool. I like that one too. I like that too. It's okay, guys. If you have to go get a job and all that stuff, go do your thing. You got families to look after. Okay? this could be a little while. Okay, I'm not trying to put you in downer mode. You know, I'm very, very positive person, right? I have 1 or 2 days, and you guys have seen me in action when I get grumpy, right? I'm a real bitch when I get grumpy, right? But I'm a very positive person, because life is too short, and when I do get myself in a down, I usually just go do meditating or something like that. I do my own meditation, and no, I'm not gonna pull a Jackson Hunter here and start coming on the show and doing medit. No, it's a trading channel. It's not a meditation channel, which I'm happy for him if he can help some people, but I like to keep the two split apart, right? Yeah, Warren, I could smoke some more weed, but I'd have to start with like a hoot a day. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll smoke a joint tonight. No, maybe I'll do it on a night that we're live streaming, because I'm hilarious, dude. You guys can bug me. You guys can bug the shit out of me. Then I won't do it live though, right? Yeah, actually I can. I'm allowed to, because up in my country it's illegal, and down in the States it's legal. I actually could smoke a joint live. It could get me. They might not monetize that one video, but I will not do it, just because kids, like, what if a kid sees it or on his smartphone, or you know what I mean? I just don't want to be putting that in kids' faces, right? But I'll go blaze one with the wife, because she smokes it all the time. But like I said, I used to smoke. I smoked since I was like 15 years old, right? You have to remember, I was raised by bikers. Hardcore family. Very hardcore. But it just, I was smoking it. I used to steal it from my parents at like 15 years old, right? I used to steal roaches off the table, and like I remember back in the day, one little tiny roach. I had this little remember those miniature pipes that you could buy? They were about this big, and they had a little bowl on it. You just shove the roach in there. I used to take my dirt bike and go out in the bush, and then blaze one, and then do jumps and stuff. And then sometimes I'd fuck myself up really bad, but it's illegal in the UK. Yeah, see, I gotta watch what if I was to broadcast that, I'd get struck by the UK division of YouTube. See, I just gotta. Good, thank you for telling. Joshua, thank you. Thanks, guys, for saying that. I wouldn't come on live anyways and say that. Right? I wouldn't smoke it live, but I'd go smoke one with the wife, and I'd come back in here all ripped. Maybe I'll do it one day for you guys. Maybe I might not be able to do the streaming. Maybe I'll be too screwed up. Harry, what's up? Welcome to the fam, man. Welcome to the pack. The pack is back. Harry the Head. Oh my god, check his handle out, guys. Welcome Harry the Head in. Oh, we got another character on here. Good. Yes, I'm loving this morning, guys. I'm having a good morning this morning. Okay, just give me a second here. I'm not going anywhere, guys. I'm just going to check out some software here. I just wanted to make sure everything's running okay. Because there's nothing like going through a stream. I've done it before, halfway through an hour through a stream, and all of a sudden it's fucked up. And it's like, shit, I was talking to myself. Or just the chat bar might be rolling and... Oh, Rick, welcome, my friend. Buffalo, New York. Yeah. That's friggin' cool. UK8 reporting for duty. We got right on, man. This channel's just ripping up in the States and the UK, man. Holy shit. Wow. Welcome to our pack, man. You have to be prepared. The shit gets real on this channel, man. There's like really no censor button. Okay, so it's different than most channels. Okay, just giving you guys the heads up. So if you do have kids, little baby, we call everybody wolves here, right? To the new guys, obviously. But you might want to watch your kids or have your vehicle or your vehicle. If you're in the vehicle, I was gonna say you might want to have your phone muted. Okay, just out of respect. Buffalo Bills in their house. That's cool. Okay, Okay, Wolves here. Just give me a second. I still haven't had a chance to go over and check. I had to open a new tab here so I don't fucking lose you guys like I always do. See, that's the problem I'm worried about if I smoke one with you guys. If I get blazing. And if I'm blazing and I'll end up fucking shutting the stream down by accident. So I have to warn you guys, if the stream dies, you have to come back in 10 minutes, okay? Because, yeah, I get pretty fucked up. Because you have to remember I haven't smoked it in like probably 9-10 months now, right? But I used to smoke like probably like 5-6 joints a day. Used to, right? I'm kind of looking forward to this, you stoners. You stoners. You stoners. Oh, my vape's dying. My vape is dying. Give me a second, my friends. Give me a second, my friends. Damn it. Ugh. Okay. Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Ken's from I'm in Louisiana. Okay, I gotta read some of your comments here. Thanks for all the likes, guys. You guys are solid as hell. Wow, it's already early. It's only been open an hour. Our channel's only been open. Look at that candle. Oh, baby cakes. Oh, she almost cracked the 1%. We did. We're tapping that. We're tapping it. Yeah, thanks, guys. We've only been streaming for 36 minutes and we're at 35 likes. Wow, that's way above average, man. Thank you, my friends. You guys are friggin' awesome. I know we got some juicy off of booze, Big Sol. I might be quitting drinking too, guys. Well, I might not. Mr. L, I love to smoke some fresh Canadian flower. It's all good. Yeah, no shit, eh? Hi, Michael. Hi, brother. How you doing this morning? On the same acre? I moved from Tennessee in... Oh, wow, that's cool. Do any of you own big farms and stuff down in the, like... I love farms. Hammered crypto. Yeah, just hang on. I was just going to jump into that. I was just going to count... I know. We're doing good today, guys. We're doing good. We pulled our heads out of our ass. Okay? Anything in the green, or even if we're just a little bit above par, is okay. It's okay. Like, yeah. I wonder how, You can, Harry? They got one down the road. Like, they're on every frigging block here, my friend. 50 would be decent. Decent stuff. Okay, we're getting some consolidation. This is what we fucking needed, guys. Delta 8 products. Yes, I have. Test. Yes, I have. Come on. We're going to need some consolidation. We don't need a fucking ladder attack. We need consolidation here. What do we got for vol here? What's the vol right now? The vol is 10.80 and it's coming in fast. We got a lot of volume coming in here, guys. Fuck yeah. Let's do this. Let's friggin' do this. Let's do this. Oh, Ed, I'm jealous, my friend, in a good way. I'm very jealous. Look at us. Look at us go. We just called this. The channel just called this. We just called this. Look at this. Look at this, wolves. We just called that. Didn't we just say we need a little bit of consolidation and it's going to bump us to the next level? Boom. Done. $11 million, I know. Yeah, we're doing good, guys. We're doing fucking good. And you have to remember, 60 to, I don't give a shit what they say. I say it's about 60 to almost 80% is getting rerouted. The reason why I say that, some days are different than others, okay? That's true, Big Sal. This is going to be dragged out, guys. I want to prepare you guys. It's going to be dragged out for a while longer, okay? I was looking at it. I was looking at the charts, and just as long as you guys don't have loans or anything, and if you do, try to cover it now, because we're gonna be waiting a little while for this, okay? This squeeze, but not indefinite, okay? So you have to look at, they pay interest and it fucks them hard, right? Really hard. Hedgies, banks, whoever bets, I'm gonna put it this way, whoever bets against AMC, GME, all of these stocks, BlackBerry, even though those guys might just go into a gamma, they might not go into a physical squeeze, or they might go into a baby squeeze, I call it. Okay, Sundial. All those things are going to go up. They're going to go bump, bump. They're going to go up. Okay, you can substantially make a lot of money on those plays. Okay, I will not get into brackets and figures here and ceilings and floors and all that shit. But just remember, it doesn't cost you guys anything if you have bought without a retention of percentage added onto your money, okay? So, like, you can hold indefinitely. This company is not going to go bankrupt. We are good. We are fucking good, okay? The only way we can lose our money is if this thing gets delisted or goes bankrupt is delisting it. If it goes into bankruptcy protection, we're fucked. It will not go into bankruptcy protection, okay? Too many people, it has a revolving door of income. It has, what's it called? Passive income, okay? Means that it's like a hamster wheel, okay? It's spitting out money out the back. We are golden. We are golden. And this company doesn't make products. So say somehow its product line dries up, the business folds. That happens to a lot of companies, right? It's not based off of that. This is based off of actresses and actors and screens and rental spaces. That's not going anywhere, okay? D, what's up? I see D, somebody thanking D, so I said, hello, D. Oh, D, right there. Good morning. Survived the tropical storm, no doubt. Oh, you did? Oh, wow. How was my day? My day's doing good. I'm doing really good today, guys. Okay, I'm gonna read a couple of your, because I had my, I had a rant here, so I have to go back and read you guys' messages. I get going there. Okay, so let's go back up here, and if I miss your messages, no disrespect, just come down on the bottom and yell at me. Just put it all in capitals, okay? It gets my attention then. Oh, crypto. That's right. Yeah, it's going... Oh, shit, is it ever going down? Fuck. Dogecoin's down to its ultimate low right now in the last couple days, in the last couple, probably month. It's down to 20... Well, no, it might have tapped 23. It's just barely at 23 cents. Shit. That's low, guys. And it's put a lot of volume. So the volume coming through there is sold volume. Okay, because you guys got to remember, volume is volume. Volume can be sold volume or bought volume. Okay, and I think you guys know that. But if you're new to the market or new to the channel, there's some information for you. Okay, it's just an overall. Okay, it's market cap is what the cap. You got to watch that, and then you can divide the two or subtract the two, and you can find out actually your figure. Okay. But you got to know the numbers from the day previous, right, to do that. There's a formula. You can just Google it. It'll tell you. Yep, BB2, yep, that's right. Edstock, yep. Oh, I want to give you guys some positive information here. I'm just gonna shut the light off on the camera now. It's light enough in here, guys. I just didn't want to be in creep mode here, dark mode, creep mode, I call it. Johnny, I think it will happen this year, but it's because a squeeze takes about a year, right? It's a planned event. It's not just something that happens overnight. It's planned, okay? I'm hoping it will happen this year. Do you say this year as in a physical tax year? I don't know about. Hey, I have a question for you guys. What's your physical tax year in the States and the UK? Ours is I think April, around there. That's the government physical tax year. Do you mean like around the actual physical year, like January 1st is the first of the next year? Is that what you guys are talking about? Because a trader goes by the actual government tax year. That's what traders go by because everything's on that, not on an actual. Creep mode. Hey, Pon, how you doing, bro? How's it going, man? Okay, I'm in Houston area. No power from a hurricane. Oh wow, no power, eh? You guys should invest in those. I got one here, a 3,000 watt propane generator. I use it for camping in my trailer, my 27-foot Jayco travel trailer, and it's beautiful. You fire it up, it doesn't smell like raw gas around the campsite. It's very quiet, and you can put it right on the deck. You just undo your barbecue tank, plug it right in there, fires up right away. It's electric start, remote start. I use it for when when I wake up in the morning when I'm camping. The worst is when you're laying in your trailer or tent, but trailer obviously if you're using that, and the friggin' sun's coming in and it hits about, because we've been partying the night before, you sleep until like 8, 9, 10 o'clock sometimes. Well, I do anyways sometimes. Not all the, usually up I'm at 5, but if I'm tying one on, I sleep in later. The sun cooking inside the friggin' trailer. I like the remote, click, boom, the generator fires up, air conditioner comes on just like that. It's April. Okay, it's April here too. Okay, that's usually what the stock market goes by is the tax years. They're set up on the tax years, okay, guys? But they start as soon as January. Yeah, they start putting their forms out in the mail, right? Is that correct? And then August, then if you don't get it by that time, you get nailed on a bunch of defaults and interest and all the bullshit crap that they do to us. Yeah. Okay, looking at 15K generator. All my neighbors have one. And 15K? I paid $1,500 there, girl. And it can power 2 houses. That's expensive. And it's only the size of, I can pick it up. It weighs 100 pounds. And then it's portable, right? You're talking about one of the big ones outside your house that stays permanent. Yeah, then you got to get it maintenance and all that kind of stuff. It's up to you, but I would definitely I would want a portable, right? Champion makes it. I actually ordered it through Costco. It runs on gas, alcohol, and high grader alcohol. Different type of alcohol than you drink, guys. Well, it probably could, but it's, you guys know that it's a different grade. And it runs on propane. So it just has a plug on it that you flick a switch and it goes over. I've never run gas in it because it stinks my house up. I don't want it in my trailer. I put it inside the trailer, not when it's running, obviously, but it's never had gas in it. And I don't want to put gas in it because that's the whole idea, propane, right? So anyways, there you go, Ed. Oh, I didn't even see your answer. I just answered that anyways. I was just relying to her. It has both, but if you buy it, I would not recommend putting gas in it, because once you put gas in it, it'll fucking reek like gas forever, right? I'll take a picture. I usually have it in here. It's usually sitting in the back corner here, because I have a earthquake kit here. Yeah, that's right, Ed. Yep, that's right. You always pay that following. That's correct. I heard that something is happening on the 17th. No. Yeah, not a problem, girl. Not a problem there, girl. I would definitely, it's called Champion. Okay, it's the 3050 watt, 3004, and it has plug-in for everything on the side. You can even plug your smartphones in there. And I would use a power bar though. Okay, because if you have and it's an inverter generator. So it goes up, the more power you draw, the higher the engine goes. It's fuel efficient. The lower the wattage goes, the lower the generator idles. It doesn't go like these other generators. Wah! Full blast. It's just wasting fuel. This thing has a smart chip in it, right? And there's some other positive stuff on it too. I forget it. It's just friggin' deadly. It's just, I was blown away. Anyways, I'm glad that the storm was very, very, very easy on you guys. That stuff's scary. That stuff's really scary, guys. I feel for you guys. I'm in an earthquake zone here, which is tsunami. What's gonna happen here is it's gonna have a bad earthquake, which will cause a tsunami potentially. They're thinking, and it's gonna wipe us all out in the valley here, right? I hope not, but it is what it is, right? I don't stress on shit like that. And if it happens, I got my trailer. I could live literally off the grid for 1 month with nothing. With nothing. I already got all my propane tanks. Oh, look at that juicy candle. And 120-pound propane tank can run, I think it's 14 hours, girl, on like idle, right? I think it's that. Is it 14? Yeah, I think it's 13 or 14 hours on 120-pound propane tank. Okay? Depends on how much draw you have. But look at this. Yeah. Oh, we had a reversal. Yes, we pulled back into a green. I seen. Oh. Doji Star. See, we're getting that W action, that wave action again, guys. Whenever we see that, that usually is a positive sign with this stock. We've seen this lots before. And good morning, Free. Hey, Free, how you doing, buddy? Ed, I'm not right at the ocean. I'm probably about, you guys go by miles. We go by kilometers. I'd say about 20 miles, 30 miles from the ocean. But it's not, I live in the foothills. Like it goes like, Google it. Just Google Vancouver, Fraser Valley. If you Google that, it'll show you exactly where I live. I live in a valley with mountains all over me. So what's going to happen is the water's going to come in and it's going to hit the mountains and come like this. And it's going to wash everything out. That's what they're predicting. So oh, you're just getting out of work, my friend? Good for you, man. Good for you. I really respect people that work and stuff, right? Meanwhile, I'm sitting here retired. No, it's not that easy, man. I got so many projects on the go right now. And I'll never quit working. I work for you guys now. And you guys are the best bosses ever. You guys are the best bosses. Cheers to that. I gotta get coffee, guys. I don't have anything. I'm running on fuel. Do you guys mind if I go get a coffee? Of course you don't. I'll be back in a minute. You guys rip that chat bar up. Yeah, guys, put your taxes away though, okay? I would deduct 40. I would put more than what your taxes are, okay? If it was me, I'd put 45% away, okay? 45%. That's what I do. And then when I have extra money over, I invest it, right? It's just a no-brainer. That's just what I do. You guys can do whatever you want. I can't tell you what to do. And that is not financial advice. That's strictly entertainment. I'm back in a minute. Okay. Hey guys. Taxes. Yeah, it's 37 to 41. Depends how much money you guys got. And every state is different. Yes, Harry just said that. It's 37 usually until you hit a certain bracket, and then it goes to 41. Okay, guys? There, Kim just said it. But every state is different. Every country is different. I would put, like I said, over 40% away, guys. Because you guys are going to make some really big fucking money here, man. It doesn't hurt to put more around, right? It doesn't hurt to put more money out, right? It's better than being screwed because you guys are going to be paying interest on that. And with those big amounts, that adds up fast. Even if it's like 5% or I don't know, right? Here, when they nail you good. It's usually 3 to 6%. It's called, yeah, that's called getting screwed. Yes, for sure, Christopher. Chris, sorry. Yes, Chris, you can ask. I was looking at. I didn't. Go ahead. Is it different for the government? What do you mean, my friend? Is it different for the government? It's better for you guys. It's better for you guys if it goes past the tax year. Yes, because you can split it. I don't mind talking about tax stuff on here. It's to do with trading, guys. You guys can this politics. I don't mind talking about some different types of politics, especially if it's to do with the stock market. But if it's to do with like COVID, I don't mind touching down on it, but I prefer not to. Oh, if the squeeze happens for the end of the year, the government wants it. They want their money. This would pay back a majority of the stimulus or CERB money or whatever country you're from and they call it. It would help them. Fuck yeah. There's a lot of money tied up in taxes in this, guys. You have to think almost half of your money. So you have to think of half of the money times how many shares there is plus all the synthetics. That's a lot of friggin'... Oh, I think I just answered your question. It's hard to decipher over a text, my friend. The government they want it to squeeze, for sure. Oh, not a problem. Not a problem, my friend. It's hard with this text thing because there's, like I said, there's no feelings or emotions attached to a text. I have that problem all the time. That's right. They want it to squeeze, my friend, for sure. They do, they do, they do. You pay 1.2%. Good morning, Rico. Oh, your gains. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're messing with. They know what's going on. Oh yeah, there's a lot of information coming out, guys. I'm just looking at the stock right now. We're sitting at $47.15, 0.66 in the friggin' green, guys. We pulled our heads out of our butt. We're sitting in the green right now. And they're fucking hammering on us. They're trying to anyways. But, hey, my whole portfolio is changing green slowly. Oh, BBIG. Remember it was down? It's up 7.36 this morning, guys. As 25 million. More than that. Sorry, wrong chart for that. It has more than that, about 30 probably. I have to get used to not reading volume off this stock screener. That's my own fault. They're swing trading the shit out of that stock. You can see it. You can tell by the way the stock's moving. What's with the gap? What's with that gap in between the candles like that? Oh, I know. She usually comes here for her coffee and a flower, my friend. You should get her number, my friend. Oh, I know, buddy. I hope. I hope it stays. If I had my way, buddy, we'd be all in Mexico or wherever. I want to come to the UK too. I would love to go to the UK. I'd love to go. I would love and places where there's castles. I'd love to go check out some of those old castles. There's a lot of history there, and of course you guys know that you're from there, right? But I've never been there. It's looks beautiful, beautiful. Witching Day is a Friday. And quadruple Witching Day. A Witching Day can usually be a really good day for the stock market. And the thing is with AMC, the Witching Day has gone against us. Okay, for the last whack of Witching Days that we passed. Witching Day is always on a Friday, okay? And what happens is it's usually a positive vibe, right? But for AMC, it's always been in the red on a Witching Day. What date is Witching Day coming up this Friday? Is it Witching Day this Friday? That's not a good sign for us. It's usually a good sign for the market. Sometimes depends on the stock, right? Good morning, Proud. You want me to Google Witching Day? I can do that for you, Wolves. For sure I can do that. I'll do it right now. It might be faster for you guys to do it. Okay, stock market witching day. Okay. What causes witching days? Usually are quite common. Occur on a specific day. It's a quarter. Okay, quarter of set of options expire. Somebody said that in there. It's a Friday. I was right on that one. It's usually the third Friday of every month. Okay, there you go. Okay, there's such thing as a double, triple, and a quadruple. A quadruple witching day occurs 3 times every year, so it's every third. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. And they are March, June, September, and December. It's usually a bad sign, guys, it says on here. It's usually something to stay away from. It's saying. It's a very volatile day across the market. And a lot of it is... what is it? I'm trying to think of the... It's tomorrow. Is it the third? It is the third week. So yeah, it's the third. It's the third. So yeah, that's the quadruple. And then we have another one in a couple months. Yeah, not a problem, Kay. Not a problem. And thanks for bringing that up, whoever brought that up. Good, I learned something today. I knew what a witching day was, but I didn't know what a quadruple witching day was. See, I told you I don't know everything, guys, and I never say that I do, okay? And thanks, Tess, for reminding me to Google it, because that now everybody knows. Hey, you never know. It could be a kick for us in the can, right? It could be good for us. Who knows? But I'm just telling you over statistics, the witching days are not good for AMC. For some reason. It's weird. There we go. We're back at 1% again. Come on. Let's do this. Let's do this shit. We've had enough consolidation here. Native Gamer, what's up, brother? How you doing, man? I haven't seen you in a while. Yeah, Pawn, it doesn't usually do anything. It's more for hedgies, guys. It's more for it's more, the hedge funds usually use it to their advantage and shit, right? And a lot of it is, fuck, I'm trying to think of the name of it. When you believe in stuff. Karma, or not karma. Fuck, I can't think of it. Superstition shit. There you go. It's usually, I couldn't think of that. What a retard. It's usually superstition, okay? A lot of it's superstition stuff, okay? Of course, there's a catalyst, or there's an actual event, but I'm saying a lot of it is superstitious too. Because a lot of people won't trade on that day, and that's what I heard. That's how I knew about it. And some people won't even watch the stock market on it. Some people won't even flick their computer on in those days, guys. Okay, we got this crazy, crazy W here. It's not the most perfect W in the world, but we'll see what happens. Like I said, all these indicators like W's and all that shit mean nothing on this stock. They mean nothing. All indicators are off the table. As we know, we've been... How many times has it gone against the code? The code? Tesla's... How many? I'm gonna do a poll here, guys. I'm just gonna do a verbal poll. I'm not gonna pull a poll bar up. I'm not gonna do an actual poll on the actual YouTube chat bar. I'm just gonna do a verbal one. I'm gonna pull this spirit off the thing because I don't want to keep on looking at the delisted stocks. I think it's bad. It's a bad mojo. It's a bad vibe. Okay, so how many people own Tesla? I don't want exact amounts. I don't want to know share amounts. I just wanted to know. Oh, thanks, Mr. L. Mr. L. Mr. L. I already did hit it. I like what you said. My thumb's falling off. No, I don't hit my own shit. Or no, I shouldn't say that. Sometimes I do. I usually, every creator, here's what I do. When I go into a room, the first thing I do is hit that. When I go watch certain channels I like, it doesn't matter what it is on Reddit. If I really like the person, I already know I like them, right? That's just what I do. You guys do whatever you want. But that's just what I do. I think it's good. It's good vibes for just everything. I'm a little bit, I wouldn't say I'm superstitious. I would just say that it's just when I respect somebody taking the time to do something for me, it's respect, right? It's the least you can do. It's just clicking a button, right? But that's up to everybody else, right? On it. And I'm not telling you to do anything. You guys do whatever you want. Because our group is our group. Our group is our group. A thumb button doesn't mean it. It's all about the chat bar, about talking and shit, right? Good morning. There she is. Manjeet. We're waiting for you. Now we need Gloria. Manjeet, it's going to happen this afternoon. I'm messing with you. And did you try calling me yesterday? I was out doing some family shit. What I need is that software. I don't have it in my truck because if my truck was one more year older, I would have it. Is that if when you have your phone beside you, the phone thing, what happens is it tells the people that you're driving that you'll get back to them. You know, guys know what I'm talking about. Mine doesn't do that. I'm getting used to this new format from YouTube. I'm actually liking what they built. All the lines are square. It's just more easier to use. Oh wow, that's coming up clear too. Fucking chair, man. Fucking $600, $500 for a fucking chair, and you can't even wheel it properly. Really good chair, actually. It's really comfortable. But yeah, we're getting this wave action again, guys. I'm okay as long as it doesn't screw us again here. Do. Don't mess with me. Oh. Oh, about how it's a managed squeeze? A review dick? The review dick. Maybe if he wouldn't do as much cocaine, maybe it would help. Yeah, it's like a managed squeeze. Like, because Tesla was a managed squeeze big time. And Tesla took a year or so to do a squeeze. Like, it has to be almost a year before the squeeze happens. Oh, wouldn't that be awesome if it happened on Christmas? Christmas Day, I don't know about, that'd be kind of fucked up. But if they did it on Christmas Day, that would screw a lot of people around. A lot of people would miss it. Well, no, the squeeze will be about a week and a bit. right? Probably the second and third day will be the most, and fifth day, second, third, fourth will be the most volatile days. I think that we're gonna get the most action, the most rising. The rest will be the wave shit, right? I didn't, Manjeet. I didn't have time yesterday. You can today though. You can call me today. Call me right after our stream, okay? Like, as soon as I'm done my stream, call me. Yeah, I was really busy. I'm just getting busier and busier and busier. What I'm trying to do is spend more time with family and stuff, guys. That's pretty much most of it. Just do. Okay. He is an idiot. Yeah, not a problem, girl. You guys know that every time you go onto a channel that you don't support and you just log on to it, that they get paid for that fuck. Even if you don't watch the whole video and you just go on the channel, I'm just going to tell you how it works. Yeah, when you do a hit, it's called a hit. They get paid for that, eh? That's why clickbait, they make so much money on those clickbait videos. Is because if you just click on it, they get paid for that. Oh, did you see it too? I think a lot of people agree with you, Manji, on that. And even if you do the drug, just keep it to yourself. It's just a lot of... The reason why is because he has a channel that does video game reviews. You know how many kids watch that shit? Like, I just can't wrap my fucking head around that one, man. I'd like to have 15 minutes alone with that guy. That's all I'd like to say. So we could have a little talk. One-on-one. No tooth chipping, though. Okay, well, that $5 a share now, he's rich as... Yeah. But who knows how much money he has, right? Like... And those cars and stuff could be hit rental. They could be friends. Yeah, there's a lot of staging stuff you can do, right? That's true, Tess. Yes, it is. That's true, my friend. Holy shit. Wow. Wow, Frank. That's your house. That's a down payment on it. I know. I know it's a bad little vicious cycle there, my friends. I got some stories for you, but I can't discuss them on here. Nothing about that kind of stuff, but just stories in general, right? I've led a pretty crazy life. Just been around some crazy shit, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm looking through here. Yeah, weird market, guys. This market's been weird for about 3 weeks now. Weird. Not just AMC. The whole frigging market has been weird. Weird, weird, weird. Oh, that's funny. What, Frank? Are you fucking kidding me? In 11 months? Holy shit, that shit's addictive, eh? That's true, Manjeet. That's why I get when I swear, I'm like, ooh, ooh, but it is just swear words. But that's why I watch what I'm talking about. I don't talk about unless it's I know weed and stuff like that. I probably shouldn't be talking about that stuff, but it is what it is. I know, Ed. I know. It's this channel. It's weird. I was just looking at that too. Ed, that's hilarious. I was just doing the same thing, man. I'm sitting here going like this. We got 1, 2, 3 dub. We got 2 head and shoulders, 3 potentially. I'm sitting here thinking, this thing is so tight in its channel that it's weird. It's weird. I'll match you on that, my friend. I'll match you. I should be throwing more stuff. And I always support the GME guys. How many on GME do you guys own on? I don't want to know share counts. Okay, I don't want to know how many shares. How many people own GME on this channel? Manjeet, I hope so. I hope so much. It would be a frigging good Christmas present for all of us. If that's the case, January or February, probably February, I'll be in Mexico. I'm going to be down there for about 3 months, guys. Stevie, what's up? Stevie! But yeah, I was just talking to the wife there. She wants to, instead of staying for 2 weeks, she wants to stay down there for 3. You have no GME? I don't either, guys. I'm very transparent. I would never say I own something when I don't. Oh, okay, Frank. Okay, that makes sense. But look at you now, my friend. Look at you now, right? You should write a biography on that. Are you? The BBIG train. Yes, big gamer. Yep. It was up at 13. What's it? Oh, it's back to 13 in a game. Shit, it went down to 11. It's back at 13. Those are big rips. Those are big rips, man. If it's doing that, there's a lot of people making money on that right now. But I don't know. Jason, how you doing, bro? Were you already on here and did I already say? No, okay. I thought I was going friggin' nuts. I have some but sold it to go on AMC. A lot of people have. Same here. I have 1. That's fine, Warren. Yeah. You have 1 more than me. Have skin in the game. Okay. My pool is 9 AMC and 3 GME. 3%. Wow. How long can this AMC? It could last. To be honest with you guys, it could last years, right? Until they cover, right? They're gonna run out of money along the way. I wouldn't say years because we've been in it we've been in it a year, pretty much, since the very first. Or actually, no. Well, yeah, yes and no. I would say by November it would be a year because a lot of people knew about this before anybody else did, yeah. So November, I would say, I know that they were planning it. It all started on Reddit. I watched parts of that and I was like dismissed it, right? It all started with the GME and AMC was a target along with GME though. GME was the pilot project, okay? And then it branched out. It branched out too much though. It shouldn't have gone to all these other stocks, to the other, like, I think there's like 10 or 15 of them. If it would have stayed more focused, this would have been a way bigger an event, right? So, but the actual theory is it's not over until the shorts cover. Okay, that's the bottom line. That's the whole catalyst of a short squeeze, my friends. Oh, sorry, Manjeet. Sorry. How low? Oh, how low can it go this week? it can go really low. It depends on what the volume. Like if we, for instance, if it's not going to happen, right? If everybody stopped buying right now, the price would just go down, right? But what we're doing is we're holding it, and it's just going in. What they're doing is because they're diverting it, right? And there's a lot of things, options. There's things like that to keep it going. It keeps steam in the stock, right? But it can go down in the 30s, guys. It probably won't. If it does, this stock we will make twice as much money on. Okay, guys? I will set my brackets twice as high. Because what will happen is if it goes down that low, I'm double and tripling down. And everybody will think the same way. Okay? I can't see it going down that low. That's pretty low. 30. That would be like another... Or actually, that's not that much percentage because we're at a high number. Somebody do some math. We're at $47. Just say across the board. What's $30? How many percent will we have to drop to get it to $30? Somebody, there's a lot of smart wolves on here. Somebody bust out their mind, their brain cells. Whereabouts are you from, Jason, if you don't mind me asking, my friend? I know a Jason Scott. One of my good friends is named Jason Scott. I know you're not him, but I'm just curious. So you don't have to put, I don't want your physical address. Just like, are you in the States or? Yeah, Frank, this will be good for you, my friend. Hey, okay, let's get, I want to, 37%? Okay, thanks, Manjeet. Go down 37%? It could. Highly unlikely. Oh, Los Angeles, California. Oh, cool, man. Right on. That's awesome. Sorry for being so nosy. I'm just curious. Jamal, how you doing today, brother? So, Frank... I don't want this dismissed and you following the chat without talking about this. Just because I'm very inspired by you a little bit there, man. And I think we built a pretty good rapport back and forth. I just wanted to say that you've had your lot of money. Okay, a lot of people in the world, when they get money for the first time, a big chunk of money, it just doesn't go the way they plan it. Okay, there's so many contributing factors. We're not going to get into that. Okay, but you've already had your chunk of money, okay? So you will probably most likely, the statistics say that you're going to do with this money probably way better than the other time, okay? That's what the problem is. If I can already look on my statistics on YouTube, a majority of the people that watch this channel are younger, okay? They're into their, I'd say about 60% are from the age 18 to the age 37, okay? And then the rest is us, okay? So that tells me that the majority of them are younger generation, which is fine, okay? So, a lot of people in those ages haven't had inheritances yet, okay? Some have, but I'm just talking of overall statistics. Most people don't run into a large chunk of money unless it's an inheritance. Okay. Yes, there's car accidents, all that kind of stuff. I'm talking majority is usually an inheritance from a grandmother, a parent, or something like that. People that have already had money know that it doesn't come along that often. That they'll probably never get it again, right? So that just means that you'll be better at managing your money, okay? Because you usually learn from your mistakes. So anyways, yes, Test is calling it, yes. And the lottery's statistics, if you look on lottery, that's just an example. Inheritance is another one. I just want to tell you that I won't put you on the spotlight anymore, Frank. Thank you for, that takes a lot of fucking balls to share that with you, okay? I appreciate that, man. And I think everybody else on the channel does too. Yeah, Manjeet, I'm jaded from the market too. I'm not going to be investing in anything unless it has a dividend royalty to it, or unless I really really like the stock. But I'm pretty much done. The channel's not done. I'll look at stocks for you guys, different stuff, and I'll still give you my take on stocks. Not a problem. I'll do that all day long for you guys, right? Especially well, you have to be a sub to talk, anyways. For the subs, because then I know you're actually in the channel and you're investing your time. So I will do that all day long for you guys. You're sober. You took your cake today, and you're like, how the hell does he know what that is? I do, man. So I'm very proud of you. I'm very proud of you, and I can't really do that much for you. I will. I'll give you some wolves, man, for that. And I'll fire you some money out there too. There you go. There you go, my friend. That's a very touching story. I'm very proud of you. Okay, in a friendship way. Okay. I know, maybe it means nothing, but I'm just saying I am. It actually touched me a bit because I. It's all good, Jeremy. Welcome. It's all good if you're younger on this channel. That's not what I. Just so you guys know, I wasn't in. I was just going statistically, right? So hopefully, by the people on the channel have the upper opportunity to talk to some. There's older people on here that have been through, like Frank's story. My story, I had money when I first got money. I had a piece of property inherited from my grandmother right on the lake. It was beautiful. It was like an acre on the lake, and I took a loan against it and I lost it. And I got that property when I was 14 years old, right? She died. So I still live with that to this day, but I've done way better, right? So that was my fuck up in life, okay? And I don't stress on it because I know she's proud of me. I've changed my life around and to the fucking positive, right? Out of all my friends, I'm probably the top 1%er, 2%, say 2%. And I have a lot of friends, okay? But I don't ever use that and rub it in anybody's face. A lot of them call me for advice. I tell them I don't have advice in the world. I will send a lot of them to my bank to talk to my advisor and stuff like that. Or to my lawyer to talk to about a financial lawyer about stuff and stuff like that. I have a lot of connections like that that are free, won't cost you anything to educate yourself, right? Because these are friends that don't mind giving information out if you're willing to learn, right? So, and we all learn every day, right? If one day when you're said you know it all, you got to give your head a shake if you think that way, okay? Oh, for sure, Kim. Oh, for sure. This is almost a slam dunk. How much earnings to become? Put me on the spot. I don't want to talk about numbers because it's not a comparison. I don't want people that have less fortunate than me to look at me like that. I'm just trying to think of how to word that. Okay, I don't have any debt. My house is paid off. And you've seen all the stuff I own on my live stream. I'm not bragging in any way. I've worked my fucking ass off for this stuff. A lot of it is from the stock market. I made probably almost close to $500,000 last year on the stock market, just on one stock. Okay, the COVID pill. Okay, and it was a penny stock. It went from, it was in, I think I got in 80 cents. I can't remember the exact number. On it. I've said a couple different numbers on it because I can't remember the exact. It was low and it went up to like $4 and something. Okay, I put a lot of money on that. Okay, in multiple accounts, and I hammered the shit out of that. So what happened? It only went up. It only went up to from 80 cents to $4. That's like almost a 400%, roughly, climb. Okay, when you're putting large chunks of money in, I had multiple accounts doing it. Okay. You can make some fucking awesome money. And yes, I almost paid half the taxes. Okay, I just paid it a while ago, like 2 months ago or 4 months ago, 5 months ago, 4 months ago, and it sucked ass. Okay, big time. But yes, and I had extra money left over too, right? That's why the wife's always like, go buy a new truck, go buy this, go buy that. I don't. I'm very, very, I wouldn't say cheap, but my truck is a 2014. It only has 80 or 90,000 kilometers on it. The average person would go buy a new vehicle, okay, if you got the money. I don't. No, I don't. Even if this squeezes, I might not buy a new truck. It's just that it doesn't matter how much money you make. It's what you use it for. Like, there's lots of people that are making minimum wage that are further ahead than somebody that makes $40, $50 an hour, okay? It's what you use the money for. The statistics say that the average person that makes 100,000 plus a year has way more bills than somebody that, and they're further in debt than somebody that doesn't, because you're more grounded. Does that make any sense at all? And I'm not coming on, I never brag about anything, because and none of my money was inherited. It was all, and I've set my kids up, and they're step kids too. They're set up for the rest of their lives, okay? And this is without this GME stuff. So I live off of, I retired when I was 45, turning 45 this year, this December. I retired at 38 and a half years old. I retired. I did go back into work though for 3 months because of the V. Okay, the V nailed everybody, and it nailed me hard because I live off my dividend royalties every month. I get enough money. Isn't that crazy? I get and plus my pension. I get a pension from my union. But I live off my dividend royalties, guys. I have a lot invested in my dividend royalties. Okay. Yeah, so I live off that, and I get a union pension. Okay, guys? So that's, and will I go back to work? I'll never stop working. Probably when I die, and I'll still be working. But when I say I'm retired, now I'm still working. I do work here. I'm building another website. I'm different type of work. I'm not a welder anymore. Like I don't class this as work. Like right now I'm technically working, talking to you guys. I don't class that as work, right? I'm hanging out with you guys. And YouTube pays shit. There's no money in YouTube anymore, guys, unless you have hundreds of thousands subs, and I don't want that many. I never built it with that. Yes, you do, Free. You pay taxes on it. Yes, you do. I take out taxes every quarter. I take my taxes out. So enough about that. Does that help you guys at all? Okay. Does that help you guys at all? And that's why you guys are like a lot of like I've noticed like, how do you know all this stuff? How do you know all this? Because I've been through a lot of it, right? But you got to check out your country, because there's a lot of differences. Yes, Ed. Yes, I'm busier than ever, dude. More than when I was working. Will you make an update portfolio on your dividend stocks after the most? I do. Most of my stocks are already up there, my friend. Suncor Energy, I'm huge into. There's TD Bank is not up there because it's not. I don't. Okay, I'm going to tell you something. When you own a dividend stock, I don't watch the prices because it means nothing. If it goes down to like nothing, I still get my same royalty. Okay. It goes off of what they earn that year, okay? Well, it would be the past year, but you guys know what I mean, right? Or the quarter or whatever. There's everything's different. So, you only need 2 or 3 dividend stocks to do it. You could even do it off one, but I would not put all my eggs in one basket, okay? Because some of this stuff's not insured. Some of this stuff's not insured, and you have to remember every country's different. The tax stuff, guys, everywhere. Okay, so if somebody tells you like one thing like this, do your DD. Don't screw yourself over. Okay, my friends. And I'm willing to answer anything, but I'll always say go do your DD on it. Okay, but I can give you a guideline, and I don't mind talking about this stuff. Okay, one of the main things I invest in is the oil sector. Okay, And yes, I do have stocks that I'm down. I'm down like 90% on 3 stocks, 80-90%. I do have ones that are shit stocks that are doing crappy. But I will not sell those till I die, until they recover. So, yeah. So there you go. Manjeet has some information for you. You pay no taxes less than 20. Well, I'd be screwed. I'd be paying taxes right away. Okay, here we go. Sorry, the screen's... What are we up to now? We're almost at 2%, guys. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, that's the thing with dividend. I'm out of all these stocks. The only one that I'm going to go into that doesn't pay dividend royalty is BlackBerry. I'm probably going to dump about 80 grand into BlackBerry. Okay. So yeah, there you guys go. Are you looking at any pen? No, Shamron, I'm out. Oh, well, depends on what you call a penny stock too, right? Because a lot of people call AMC a penny stock. It was, right? Because it was down in the pennies. Depends. Yeah, I'm done, right? Because of all the bullshit in the market. Like AMC, when I'm done. I might keep one share in there. I might not even, right? Look at that. Look at that kick. Damn. 2%, just like that, guys. How old is everybody on here? I'm 45. Or 44 and a half. Well, no, almost 45, guys, I guess. Holy shit, that creeps up fast. I'm going to say 45. I'm 45. Oops. Wrong one. $45 old. I keep on having to pull this chart down, which is a good sign, guys. It looks like we might gain back our money. We got to get back to like 9%, and then we'll be a little bit ahead from the other day. Shamron's, Jamal's really young. I already know that. Okay. After the crash, I'm not buying, even if a stock, because the way I look at it is if a stock goes cheap and it goes up, yeah, you can make your money 100% and stuff like that, but it's not a residual income. It's a one-time hit. You get your money and that's it, right? Unless you keep on buying in and buying out. I don't have time for that. I'm too busy. So what I do is I like the residual income. When's my birthday? December 15th. December, I'll put that down. I'm a December baby. So yeah, and this is just strictly what I do, right? You guys can do whatever you want. It's just that I've been doing this for a long time, guys, and I'm just tired of it. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. It's not. Okay, it's not worth the stress. It's not worth the bullshit. The market's not. As soon as these things came out right here, with these apps, the market's changed, and it'll never be the same. November 10th. Oh, cool. Oh, so it's you're just down the road, my friend. Look at those candles. Boom, boom, boom. We got 3 bounces there. Fuck yeah. We might get back to $50 again, guys. Monty, I frigging hope so. I hope so, brother. I hope so. You feel me too, Jamal? Yeah. It just, I want something, multi streams of income, okay, is way to get rich or to become richer, or to hold your status, okay? Holding your status is very friggin' hard, okay? So you need multiple streams of income coming in, okay? 5 or more. It used to be 4 or 5 years ago, it was 3 you could do it off of. You need 5 now, okay? The price of, just because the price of food and hydro and all that stuff has gone up, okay? And the taxes are coming in. Just wait another 5 years and see. You think the taxes are high now? I hate to tell you guys, man. Wait. So that was a good talk, guys. I just, I don't really like talking about that stuff, but you guys asked me. No, it doesn't, Monty. No, it doesn't. No, it goes off of what they earn in the year. So say it's an oil patch stock, or we'll just use that for an example. It's set up different. It could be quarterly, it could be annually. Okay, it depends on the company itself, and then they adjust it. Okay, when the stock goes, it doesn't go off of what the stock price is worth. Okay, at all. But your money goes up in there. Your money goes up. But if you lose money in there, you still get the royalty. Like if the stock collapses and it's only worth like whatever, hardly nothing, and you lost all your money, but the company's making a freaking fortune, usually the two run together, but not always. That dividend royalty will if they're making lots of money and they pay, it goes up. Does that make any sense? And if you leave your dividend money in there, what happens is it compound interest. Okay, then you're the bank. Does that make any sense to you? I live off most of it, 3/4 of it. Some of it I never touch. Right? And I have a rule: dividend stock that pays over 10%, I will not buy in. Okay, because that's there's certain risk zones. Okay, if a stock that I don't know, Joker's dad. I don't know about that. Did you know that if they started paying a dividend, that they would have to get rid of the synthetic shares? Did you know that? Because they're all registered to the feds. Every stock is registered to the feds then. That's the good thing about a dividend stock, is that the synthetic share count is like gone out the window, okay? Because it's all registered. So how can you, on a synthetic, how can you collect a royalty on a synthetic if it's not registered? The company doesn't know about it. See? Does that help you guys at all? At all? Does that help you? Me going off and just telling you these little things? And I don't know everything, okay? I could be wrong on some of it, okay? But if I'm wrong, please correct me, okay? Or at least give me some information I can go correct on. Because I'm still young, guys. I'm really young still, right? To some of you guys that are in their 20s, you're like, yeah, you're an old fuck. But no, actually, statistically, I'm still pretty young, with bald head, with a bald head. Fuck, we're getting a ladder attacked here. Looks like starting to. Hang on, I'm gonna see if we're getting attacked. Let's see here. Shit. Yep, full on attack, guys. Full on attack coming. Yeah, we're getting drove down fucking hard. Pardon my language, but this is bullshit. Oh yeah, we're getting hammered on. That's high frequency trading at its max, man. They've opened the floodgate right up. We got no fucking volume coming in right now. Shit. The volume I'm seeing is you guys gotta go off the market cap. The volume is sold and bought, okay? I'm looking at the market cap right now. It's bouncing between 24,059, 58, 57, 58, 57, 58. It's bouncing back and forth. So that means that nothing's being bought, okay? Or very low, okay? That's how you tell. The volume could be just cranking, just giving her. And it could be people selling, right? The way to find out is look at that market cap, okay? If that market cap starts going up, that means people are buying. If it starts going down, people are selling. It's going to be easy for them to It's going to be easy for them to do a ladder attack on us, guys, just because of the volume. I'm not trying to be Mr. Negative here. I've always very transparent with you guys. That's right, Brian. Hey, Brian, how you doing, brother? I know it is fucking bullshit. That's why the market's so corrupt. That's why after this, I'm out. But I'm not shutting the channel down. We'll be doing dividend stocks. There's lots of stuff we can still... And I'll cover all your guys' stocks. I know I just said that. I'll cover everything you guys want me to. Not a problem. But then I'll also be very transparent on what I own, too. And what I bought. And I'll even show you guys how many shares I own in those companies. I just won't show you the money, okay? I will never disclose my bank account. Like, I'll show you how much money I have in that stock, but I won't show you how much. It's just private information, right? But I'll show you how many shares I own, not a problem. I always do it live, right? Well, whenever you guys ask. %. Fuck, it'd be nice to even close at this today. I'm okay with this even. We're still 5% behind and we're still good. That's right, gamer. Yep, you nailed it, brother. Compounding frigging interest is awesome when you are the bank, okay? In 10 years, you can fucking set yourself up good. I always say 10, 20 years because they're numbers that are easy to figure out, right? I don't even know in 10 years what I'm going to have after all this. Like, after the squeeze is going to be nice, but I'm talking about after I invest it. The squeeze is nothing compared to what the figures will be in 10 years after the squeeze. The squeeze for me is just starter money into a huge adventure, okay? And even if this doesn't squeeze, I'm already set myself up, right? This is just a little baby project I have on the go. And I'm glad we're all part of it. I want this more to squeeze for you guys more than anything, right? Because I go to bed, well, I don't sleep that much. me and Mr. Musk there probably sleep about the same. And Bill Gates. Ooh, do. That's crazy. Crazy, my friends. Tell me about the story that never ends, eh? We're going to build our way back up again, just like we always do. How long have we been on here, my friends? An hour, 2 hours? 6:30, 7:30, 8:30. I'm ready to bounce, guys. It's that time of the day. It's that time of the day. I'll let you guys, if you have any more questions, you got about 6-7 minutes here. Fire them out there. And I got to get on to building my other stuff on my other channel. And I got to build the merch store. I got to finish. I got to call a merch department right now and get the merch all ordered. And it never stops. It's a continuous revolving door. I'm doing this for you guys. The market's very inactive. Even the traffic coming into our channel is usually quite high, and it's just the whole market's slow. I can tell by that too, because a lot of people come on YouTube when the market starts rocking, eh? It is what it is, though. It is what it is. Okay, yeah, I have a serious question here. What platform do you have for crypto? If non-currency currently, which one is Tim recommending for you? Coinbase. He uses Coinbase, my friend. It got hacked recently, but it's all insured. Okay, just so you guys know, just so you know that we mentioned that live, right? And he even said, man, Coinbase, I don't care. I'm still with Coinbase. I don't know why. We're going to have them on the channel next week. We've already got all the software. We just have to do this week. We're going to probably this weekend, we're going to do a test pilot project on and just do a stream, private stream without anybody on it for about 10 minutes to make sure all the software is working properly. And then we're going to have them on here and you guys can just ask all the questions. Citizen, how you doing this morning, brother? I seen you just jump in here. I'm going to make sure I answered all the questions here. If you guys have any questions, now your time to ask them. And I don't have crypto or anything. I have $25 Ethereum. Okay, ticker symbol ETH. Okay, just so you guys. And I'm down on that. I'm not buying any crypto until the fire sale. But that is a freaking good question, my friend. And everybody has their own opinion on that stuff. I don't know, Citizen. I have no idea. You're gonna have to ask him that stuff. He will know. And now that you ask those questions, I'll tell him to do some searching on that and some DD on that before we get on the channel, so he doesn't have to go on Google and start doing his research while he's on there. I'm pretty sure he knows that. He's been buying tons of crypto. Like, as you know, he isn't buying anything right now because the market's unstable right now. I'm just looking at crypto right now. Wow, that's sad. But it is what it is. You got to make sure the company's big. Like, Coinbase is a pretty big company, okay? On my thoughts, Mario, how's it going, brother? My thoughts on Sundial? Fucking good company, man. Really good company. Sundial's going to go up when all these other stocks squeeze. When GME and AMC, when they get a squeeze, it's going to get a bump. It's going to go up. I can't disclose figures on here. It's going to go up a substantial amount. It's not going to be anything like AMC and GME, guys. And you guys know that, right? It just doesn't have. It just doesn't have the criterias and it's a marijuana stock, right? It has a little bit different. The amount of shares that the company has, a substantial amount of shares that company has. Okay, there has to be a bunch of contributing factors into a squeeze play, right? It has to take almost a year for it to do its thing, right? And yeah, guys, I love Sundial, right? It's a good stock, and you guys keep it real. Okay, I love you guys. Okay, and I'll see you here tomorrow morning for, I guess, quadruple witching day. Yeah, that's crazy. Is it already Thursday today? It is too. Wow. Okay, I just had to double check that. Okay, guys. You guys take it easy. Because I love you. Right on, citizen. You guys are awesome. Okay. If any new information comes out, I'll rip out a podcast for you. But if not, then I'm not going to send you guys out clickbait. Okay? You guys have a good day. Over and out. Peace.